It's day 1, June 29, 9 a.m. And I'm about to flip this account. I don't know what I'm going to flip it to, but let's just see. It's $46. I'm going to be trading step index. I'm already on a trade right now. The reason for the trade is I saw this flag being formed. So I know the market is going to go up, but I know before it gets up, it's definitely going to have a bit of retracement to this area. So why not just take a short trade till it drops down here? On the 4 hours time frame, you can see that the trend line is being maintained. Even though we are in a downtrend, you can see the market dropped down to this point here. And it tried going back up, but it faced a resistance around that 80.45 region and it dropped back down. But even though it dropped back down, it still didn't break this support here that we had. It still maintained the trend line position before having this engulfing bullish candle coming up. So I am looking at the market to probably break up to this region, which is 80.56. But before then, it's going to be a gradual process. It won't just go there. So target right now will be around 80.33 to 80.38. Okay, so I think that's already happening. But let's see if my trade ends up in a loss. I'm already losing $5 on my $46 account. My stop loss is at 80.30.8. So let's see what happens if I take my profit before going on my long as planned, or if I'm gonna hit my stop loss. Oh, like you see, things happen. If only I got in around here initially, because I missed it. I didn't see this when it happened. I would have taken my profit over there. But like I said, I know there's definitely going to be a little retracement back, and there's been so many bearish candles formed. This is the 5 minutes time frame, and this is the 15 minutes time frame. So I have edited my take profit to 80.15.7 with this new development, and increase my stop loss to 80.36.7. So let's see how this goes. I'm still running loss. I'm a loss of $5 now. As soon as we hit CP, I will make plans for making my buy entry, because I know we're definitely going to see 80.38, if not 80.40. So stay tuned. Let's see. That's the balance for the $6. Equity 43, we're losing about $2, and that's the time. Let's see if this trade is gonna hit CP or make me lose money. So update, we at my previous TP, going to my present TP, and I'm making $12. And you can see sometimes it's not that the trade is not correct. You might just be getting in too late. So like I said, if I had entered here, I would have taken take profit here, which I showed initially. But right now we're dropping due to the new development. So that was why on my sell order, I changed my TP. I'm in $17 profit. For the $7 is $63, as you can see. So whenever the market starts going back up, my target is going to be 80.38 or 80.40. I'm going to take a buy order. I don't believe this drop is going to go down that far, but my TP is almost close. So whenever you try to be spontaneous, be very calculative also. So I'm making double of what I was supposed to make initially. So patience paid, and sometimes, like they say, the stop loss is a myth, but it's all good. Profit coming in. So there's something that I've noticed when trading. The candle formations send a message by creating a certain structure which to a trader who understands the language of technical analysis will be able to ascertain his next move. So the previous trade that I got into, I had to extend the stop loss and TP, as you can see right here, because I saw so many bearish momentum to the downside. My previous TP was supposed to be 8015.7, but you can see we've even passed it already. So my new TP is at 8010. You can see this is $73 account. It's now at 105. I'm in a profit of $30. So let's see what happens. One disadvantage that I've noticed in trading indices, especially with derivative, is that you can't set alerts. So you probably have to keep checking the chart if your levels are ascertained, and it gets boring. I'm not used to always checking the chart. I set alerts on my trading view, but what do? So I'm going to be playing chess on my phone. I like chess, by the way, while waiting to see what happens over there. At CPO, we already hit CP, and our $46 is now $73. Patience paid. So right now I'll be looking for confirmation that we're going back up, because I know we're going to go back up. Definitely my target is 80, 38 or 80, 40. So that was a win trade. Bitzaddy. So we on our third entry on this account, the 47, I think 46 point something. I'm just calling it $47. So on our third entry right now, and reason, you see, this is what we've turned it into. Now it's 122. We're in profit with our third entry. Remember I told you guys that we're going to see 80-38, and that happened actually, but I wasn't close to my computer, so I didn't get that entry. It was a beautiful one. I would have taken that entry from here all the way. No, I would have taken it from here all the way up. I missed that. So I noticed when we got to 80-40, the market had a resistance over there. Even on the 4 hours time frame, you can see it start dropping, and the 15 minutes time frame. So I am very, very much open to seeing this market drop to 7995, which is my new TP. So let's see how this trade goes. But first of all, I'll be watching out to see what happens around 80-25 region. We should be around here. So if it holds it at the support, I'll close the trade. But if it doesn't, if it breaks below it, I'm going to wait till 7995. So stay tuned. It's Bitzaddy and my $46 account flipping. It's already 122 right now. I'm counting. See, we're still on the same day. Saturday, June 29. This is 4:37 p.m.